Welcome back to the gimbal.
What?
This trunk won't open.
You need the key.
Oh, give me the key.
I don't know what's up with the battery.
Give me the key.
What are we doing today?
We're replacing coil packs on a 2008 BMW 750i.
Li?
Li.
Let's go. Just take a battery terminal off and then throw something under there so it don't fucking arc on nothing. Take your fucking battery terminal off. What are we doing, bro?
Replacing coil packs on this piece of shit Beamer.
Damn, you ain't gotta fucking call it a piece of shit. I mean, it kind of is right now, but you know how to do it?
How do you do it again?
First, you're gonna need all your fucking tools. How do you do this? I'm pretty sure you gotta lift up and unclip this motherfucker and then pull it out. So.
Should we watch a YouTube video on it?
I thought we were making a YouTube video on it.
No.
But we gotta watch a YouTube video first.
If you don't know what you're doing, just say it.
I kind of don't know what I'm doing. First, you unwrap it, this nice Bosch fucking coil, and you examine it and see what this one does, and then figure out that one, pretty much. So, we gotta do that. Oh. And then unplug it. Put it back, pull it out. Examine it. NGK or Bosch? What do y'all think? Leaner? One down, fucking 7 to go. Pinch my finger already. Alright, so pull this up and I guess you just do the fucking same thing, right? Here's the hole. Let me spit on it real quick. Clip it in, and then.
Look at the phone. Look at the puppies.
Bruh. They were parked at Winn-Dixie, and me and Megan and her friend was gonna walk up to those fucking poodles, and they were like, "Roar, roar, roar, roar." Dangerous. Ooh, damn. Number 2. I think there's only 2 bad coils, so you just made 3 bad coils. Fucking dickhead. All right. Yeah, you got this one.
Try this one. Alright, now you just stick it in the hole.
Yeah. You gotta spit on it.
No, I like putting it in dry.
Oh, that's rough.
I know. Give me a second, I gotta find the hole. Because I'm slipping out the hole.
Ooh, this fit right in there.
Okay, now you plug this in right here. I don't know if you can see that. No, gotta make sure it's the right way.
I hate this light. Because look how many people are trying to turn. I could be up there. But people want to turn, so I can't get up there.
Welcome to the vloggers. So 2 down?
2 down.
All right, this is boring. We'll be back when it's done, and hopefully it sounds better. If you got soft hands, you might want to get somebody else to do it. Ow! EJ. Some of them are like suctioned in there. You gotta pop them out. Find the hole. I can't get that back one out though, for real. The one way back there.
I'll show you how it's done.
What is on there? Babe. I told you later.
Clip was broken off.
That might have been the problem. So, what up, boy? Couple more to go, and then we'll fire it up and see if it works. Clear the codes. I'm smoking these darts. Need to quit. Ooh. I like that sound. Oh. Some rust on there, man. Look, you guys are gonna probably say, oh, we should have replaced the spark plugs too. All right, let's hook that battery back up.
All right, then you need a 10 millimeter. Put a beaner in a beamer.
Damn, that bitch cleared right up, son.
Locked in, locked in.
That's how you fix it. It's not really a how-to video, but that's what we did. Like, subscribe, and comment. Let's go take it for a test drive. All right, looks like we're putting a tag on this motherfucker. Put the computer on, clear some codes, read some codes again and see what else pops up. This goes though. All right, we'll check back when we fix it. We'll figure out the transmission problem.